Hi guys, my name is Mary, or Hard Left Yogi. This is your abs explained. So your erector abs, those six-pack abs, are really pretty and fun to play with. However, they don't do anything except bend you forward. If you truly want to hold up your spine, you have to work your deep transverse muscles. And so those are the muscles, especially on women, that give them a hourglass shape. The reason that they work so effectively is that they are like a Chinese finger trap. So if anybody has seen a Chinese finger trap, when you put your fingers in the Chinese finger trap, if you go to pull your fingers apart, it cinches down and won't let your fingers out, right? Same thing with your deep transverse ab muscles. They're like a basket weave. So therefore, when you start to pull, they go in tight around your waist. What do I mean by pull? I mean put your feet down and then extend through the crown of the head. Do not shift the rib cage forward or the hips forward. We're looking, or lifting the shoulders. We're looking for this suction coming from an extension up through your energy throughout a practice. Why this is important besides holding your spine together? It's great for learning how to do handstands, because that's what's going to keep your legs and your hips from doing this, is having control of this forward and back and side to side motions, right? So think about your abs as a Chinese finger trap, right? Hope that helps. Practice it throughout all your poses while you're driving through traffic, talking to your mother-in-law on the phone. It'll be great. Bye, guys.